Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change from Google Discover to Samsung Free in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we have Google Discover right here. This is not the only service that we can have here. We also have something called Samsung Free. Where to find it and how to turn it on. We need to go to Settings, then Home Screen. If this option is not on the left side of the screen, we can turn it on here. Add media, home page, add media page to home screen. By default, it's Google Discover, but we can change to Samsung Free. And right now, on the left side, we will have Samsung Free. Of course, now we are not connected to the internet, but our option is right there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.